Well, everybody, it's been a while. There's snow on the ground. I'm sick as hell, but I'm still outside working away at my piece of junk cars. There is some good news and, well, as usual, lots of bad news. Basically, this is an update video, since I really haven't made many videos because it's been so fucking cold outside, and it's actually kind of warmer out today. I got that piece of shit back from the shop. It's working perfect. I haven't really seen much of that car because the minute I got it, I took it to the shop to get it all fixed. My school, I mean. This piece of shit, we managed to finally get the transmission back in it. And I registered it and took it out for a ride. All is shifting well, except for still no overdrive. So I'm thinking there's something electrical wrong, which doesn't really make sense because we just hit a rock, you know. But all the cables look fine. I don't know why it would be doing that. So after driving it around, we went Christmas shopping to 9 stores. And the second I bring it into the driveway and parked it, tried to start it up again, nothing. So today we got to try and figure out why it's not starting. Anyways, first of all, I'm going to start off by showing you this stupid little thing. As you can see, it's locked. You turn it, and then it comes up. Take the key out. You pull on it, and the door won't open, right? What's the lock? Now it opens. I'd love to know why that does that, but anyways. So, if you live in Manitoba, you probably know all about these stupid little immobilizers that they put in the key. Oops. And then they give you this little piece of plastic with a little computer chip inside with a code. And when you go and start your car, put your key inside, and this is right up against the ignition, so that when you go and start it, there's a little wireless connection in between the car and this, and it tells you that you're, well, that you've got this thingy, so it allows you to start your car. So when I turn it on, all the lights come on. Let's see if I can get both shots. I turn the key. Whoops. So it won't start. But me being in a rush and not really thinking about what could be other causes, the new transmission, I just realized I could probably try starting it in neutral. So I never tried that yet. I knew that, I just wasn't thinking. Okay, so it's in the on position. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake, shift it into neutral, and I don't know what's gonna happen, seriously. Oh So it's not my immobilizer. My little gay horn. It's good. So neutral fixed it. I think it's misfiring a bit. It always does that on a cold start. So just to show, see if we got any smoke. Sounds like a sewing machine. The summit continues. It lives again. Now I just gotta figure out why overdrive doesn't work. And okay, so now that it started in neutral, Let's put it back in park and then turn it off and then try and start it again. Okay, so we're in park. Well, how about that? I don't know how cold it is outside, but that was sure a tough start the first time. Anyways, put her in reverse. Oops, e-brake. Drive. So we've got drive again. Pretty sweet. Oh well. You know, sometimes you just forget about the simplest things. You always assume it's something a lot more complex. Sweet. Well, that problem's resolved. Time for the next one.